Okay, so here we have the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC Earbuds. They are fantastic value for money. They coming in at $119 that I paid from Amazon on special. I think it's about $30 US to be honest, but no, just kidding. About $99 US, I believe, if you can get them on special. These are my first noise cancelling earbuds. They do a fantastic job for the money, that's for sure. I've tested out AirPod Pro 2s and feel that the noise cancelling is as good as the Apple AirPod Pro 2s. The transparency mode I feel could be better. Apple's AirPod Pro is definitely quite a lot better, I feel, in that regard, but for the money and the price point, I am pretty impressed. I had these for 2 months, showing some wear and tear. Managed to get a crack in the case. Not sure how that occurred, but I don't recall dropping them anyway, so maybe that's the quality where that comes in. The ABS, the plastic ABS is not as good or strong, or it's rock hard maybe, so anyway, that happened. But look, they've got some great features. The companion app is quite amazing for these earbuds. The connectivity is seamless with Android Fast Pair. That enables you to connect instantly, especially like if you've got two devices, Android devices. If you're signed into that alternate Android device, like a tablet, without even pairing them, it'll recognize that you've paired them in the past with like your phone. So that's really convenient. It's seamless and just connects. It seems to be, just awesome connectivity. As you could expect, super comfortable. Multiple earbud sizes, ear tip sizes for different ear size. Come in a range of different colors as well for personal preferences. But yeah, look, they're quite bassy. I think the quality of the sound is on par with Apple AirPods. I don't know, I'm comparing them to those because I guess they're, $400 headphones and these are $120 and comparable, yeah, for sure. So pretty bassy. I don't know if they're certainly not audiophile. I'm certainly no audiophile, sorry. They do support LDAC, which is an Android feature. Yeah, give or take, I don't know, the earbuds, so I don't know how much difference that actually makes the quality of the sound, but yeah, I'm assuming it does make some, but it does also drain more battery, I believe, too, so whether you have that on or off, yeah, it's up to you. The adaptive noise cancelling is pretty impressive. I feel that it's blending your transparency mode and the environment to constantly update the noise cancelling level to bring an adaptive experience and adapting the noise cancelling to the environment. So yeah, so it's a pretty good feature. The claim from the box, 10 hours playtime, 50 hours with the case. I don't think I've got that at all. I'm probably getting around maybe 5, maybe 6 max hours playtime. One charge, 11mm drivers, high-res sound, and reducing noise up to 98%, which yeah, possibly. You do get a charging case with the buds, so I don't use that feature, so I think it's I don't know, it's not really a great feature, but anyway, it comes with it. If you like that, then it's there, so yeah. USB-A to USB-C charge cable, and yeah, 4 ear tips as well. Look, for the money, I reckon they're fantastic. I do have a couple of issues that I will let you know about that I haven't heard anyone else talk about. So the ear tips are not that secure on the earbud. So I've experienced that taking the earbud out of my ear quickly resulted with the ear tip staying inside your ear, and it's quite hard to get out when you're a nail biter like I am. So that's a little bit frustrating, and putting the earbuds in your pocket like I'm sure you probably do. Occasionally I've taken them out and then the ear tips are missing inside your pocket, so potentially could lose those quite easily, I feel. And the more they come off, I'm assuming the more they're probably going to, yeah, more chance of losing them or just continually coming off. So that's happening. The other thing I noticed is that went to the gym, came back to the car, left one of the earbuds in the car, tried to turn that back on and it would not work. So discovered later on that you can only turn the earbuds off after they've powered off automatically once they're put back inside the charge case. So you have to return them to charge case for a moment or two, take them back out, and then they're turned back on. So I've had cheap $50 Soundpeat headphones that doing a long press for about 8 to 10 seconds or whatever turns them on and off. So I think maybe that's a software update to come, but yeah, a bit of a frustrating feature if you leave the case at home. you're kind of stuck without headphones, and especially if you're using them for calls and while you're driving. Yeah, a bit frustrating. So that's it. I reckon they're great. I'm loving them. So they're my everyday kit at the moment. So I give them an 8 out of 10. And not that I'm rating any other products, but yeah, I think they're up there for the price point. Anyway,